Hello students, welcome to Python programming class, lecture 20. We are in unit 3, part 2, strings. So let's check the syllabus once again. String sequence, string length, string traversal, string slicing, immutable, searching, looping and counting, string methods, in operator and string comparison. In previous lecture, 3 topics are completed: string sequence, string length, string traversal. Today we will discuss 3 topics: string slicing, immutable and searching in this lecture. The next 4 topics we'll discuss in next lecture. Right? Now coming to the today's session, string slicing, immutable and searching. Coming to the first one, string slicing. What is meant by slicing? Slice, a piece, right? So you are dividing the string into pieces. That is called slicing, right? That means a segment of string. So you are extracting or you are finding the segment of string, that is called string slicing. How you are finding the segment of string? By using this operator in square brackets n colon m, which indicates the slicing is started at n value and slicing is ended at m minus 1 character, not m. So that means n is included, m is excluded, right? Let's check one example. S equal to Monty Python, right? So print off. So always remember you need to specify print off, right? So print off yes, the variable yes in square brackets, right? Where we need to start at 0 index 0. So that means start at here, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space is also countable, right? Print yes of, so print from 6. So you are starting at 6. So P 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? You are giving 12 instead of 11. If you give 11, it will print up to O, right? That's why you are giving 12, right? So Python is printed, right? So let's check another example. Fruit equal to banana. So fruit of, here the starting index is not given, only end is given. So in this 0, 1, 2, 3. So already told that 3 is excluded before the character, up to before the character is displayed. So like that 0, 1, 2 is displayed BAN. Now coming to the next one, fruit of 3 colon empty end index, right? Now 3 starting. So 3 is starting. So that's why A. There is no end index, that means up to last it will be print A. Right? Let's check these examples in Jupyter Lab. Let's check string slicing examples. So str1 equal to welcome to Python. Welcome to Python. So that is string 1. Apply slicing. So how to apply slicing? Give str1 of 1, 2, 3. So str1 of 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 means 1 is the starting one. E, 2. 2 is a L. 3 is not included. That's why EL is printed. Suppose give 4. Right? Suppose give 0 here. Right? So like that. So give 1 W, give 2 WE, 3, 4, give 1 here. See here, understood? 5, 6, right? Suppose if you give 8, you will get space, that is also countable, right? So this is string slicing. Suppose give str1 of colon, only colon, there is no starting and ending. So what will happen? Will give complete string. Suppose give 5, there is no end, it will print from fifth character up to last. Suppose give only end one, not first one. So it will print from the first onwards up to 5, right? Simply we can say that it will treat it as 0, right? So here it will treat it as 0. This is also same. This is also same, right? That's the concept of string slicing. Now coming to the next one, immutable. What is meant by immutable? Immutable means you can't change any character in the string. So that is called immutable. It is not possible to change any character in the string. Let's check one example. So greeting. So greeting equal to hello world, right? Now take one index, greeting of 0. So greeting of 0 means h. This is the 0 index, h equal to j. I want to change, right, h into j. That is not possible. So that's why the error is string object does not support item assignment because they are immutable, right? Still there is a way to change that characters. So let's check one example. So same greeting equal to hello world, new greeting equal to I am placing j plus greeting 1 colon, like that. Greeting is 1 colon. That means it is the starting index and there is no end index. What it will display from this to here, it will display. That is the meaning of greeting 1 colon. Right? Now, what is mean by plus? Plus indicates concatenation, not addition. Right? Strings are combining. So that's why this characters, and in place of h it will print j. So that is the output, right? Let's check these examples in Jupyter Lab. Yes, let's check example. str1 of 0, str1 of 0. So what is str1 of 0? W. So str1 of 0 is equal to, I am placing q, right? Run it. So what is there? String object does not support item assignment because strings are immutable, right? But still there is a way. Let's check example. I want to remove Python, right? And then I want to place Java, like that. So str1 of 0 to up to 10. So you will check. Yes, welcome to completed. So take 11, welcome to space, right? Now plus, so what you have to add here? Java. So run the code. So welcome to Java. So like that you will modify the string, right? That's the concept of immutable. Next, coming to the searching concept. Searching means in previous you are giving index finding the character, but searching means reverse. That means you are giving character, it will return the index value, right? So that is called searching. So you are giving the character. So by using character, so it takes the character and find the index So if the character is not found, what it will return? -1. Let's check the example. So create one function find. So how many arguments here? Word and letter. Right? Take index value is 0 while so index is less than length of word. That is true. That must be true. Otherwise searching is not possible. So index is less than length of word. So if word of index equal to letter, that means in the word you are specifying the index which is equal to letter, the given letter, it will return index. Right? That means this letter is matched with the word and index is incremented and it is returned. That's the concept of searching. That's the today's lecture, string slicing, immutable and searching. Right? We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.